Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to deploy GitHub project on Render. Alright, let's begin. First, you need to sign up or log in to Render and connect your GitHub account. In Render Dashboard, click New, then choose a web service or static site, depending on your project type. After that, select GitHub and authorize Render to access your repositories. Now, pick the repo you want to deploy. Next, configure your service by setting your build command, start command, and publish directory so Render knows how to build and run your app. If your project needs environmental variables, add them in the settings before deploying. Once configured, click Deploy, and Render will pull your code from GitHub and start the build process. Monitor the logs to see if the build and deploy complete successfully. So that's basically how you can deploy GitHub project on Render. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.